Things I wish I knew before I got sober. You're going to lose a lot of friends. A lot of people that you thought were your friends are going to just disappear really quickly. I thought my life was over when I thought I would never be able to drink again. And it couldn't be more of the opposite. That was another misconception I had about going sober. I thought I was going to become this weird, airy, fairy, religious type that was into like meditation and all these different weird things, but it's nothing like what you think it's going to be like. You become the best version of yourself when you're sober in every way possible. You work harder, you clean better around the house, you are better with your money, you're better mentally, you're better physically. Every which way you can think about it, you're about to get a load better. It doesn't mean that you can't go out. So I always thought that being sober meant that you could never go out again, and you wouldn't be able to enjoy yourself again, and it couldn't be more wrong. I'm more present for things now. So I go to places, I like concerts, and I go to parties, like birthday parties and things like that, meals. And you know what I notice now is that I'm present for those things, whereas before I was never present. I was always thinking about the bag and the drink. So that's another thing that I've learned that is really helpful, because I actually enjoy things more now because it's more personal to me. Like I go to like an event and I'm actually there for the event rather than just for the piss up or the big sesh. And not everybody will understand your reasons for going sober. Alcohol is the only thing you have to justify giving up. Like if you want to, like people encourage you to give up, like coke, heroin, you name it, they'll tell you to give it up, but no one actually tells you to give up alcohol. And it's the only thing that you really have to justify to people and explain to people, which I found quite difficult at times, because I don't think anybody should question your life choices. Cravings are not as bad as you think they're going to be. So when you get a craving, they do get easier with time. And I was always worried that I was going to fail. And if you think like that, you will fail. You need to fake it until you make it. So one of the things that I learned in my recovery about sobriety is that it's all about telling yourself you can do it and believing in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, you're not going to do it. There are so many people on TikTok that are really good to watch. And they have helped me massively in my journey. So have a look through, just type in recovery, type in sober podcasts and stuff like that. Find your people, because that's going to help you massively on your journey. And get some really good reading material, get some really good recovery books. I didn't even know they existed, guys, and they've been life-changing for me. So get some good recovery books on the go. They will help you and make your journey so much more easy. Sober on a Drunk Planet is my absolute go-to by Sean Alexander. And finally, life gets better. Like, I didn't think life would ever get better. I couldn't see like a light at the end of the tunnel. And I wish I knew then what I know now about sobriety and how not scary it is. You don't have to tell yourself this forever. Just for today, guys. Just for today.